So today I'm going to show you how I can use my ability hand to button up a dress shirt. First thing we want to start with is how to get the shirt on. If you've got a quick disconnect wrist like I do, you can take your hand off to get your hand in the sleeve. Otherwise, you can use sleeve mode. So I'll show you both ways real quick. So the first thing that I have to do is get the shirt on. Since I've got a quick disconnect wrist, it's super simple for me. I just turn my hand, pop it off, and that will allow me to just put my arm right through the sleeve, like so, and then I can put my hand back on. The other option I have for getting my hand through the sleeve is using sleeve grip. And what sleeve grip allows me to do is to keep a tight grip and get my thumb out of the way. So, take that and push my hand through the sleeve. I find it's helpful if I push my hand up here and grab my other hand, keeping the sleeve open, and allow the shirt to just drop down as I pull it through. If I didn't have the quick disconnect on my wrist, this is what I would have to do. But since I do, it's a little more convenient for me just to remove my hand. Now that I've got the shirt on, the next thing I need to do is start buttoning the buttons. For that, I'm going to use key grip. Key grip works really well at grabbing something flat, which is going to allow me to put a little bit of tension on it. And with my other hand, I'm going to push my thumb through the hole to open it just a tad. Now I'm going to go over to this side and I'm going to line up the button with the hole. Then I like to flip over here. I can use my finger and my thumb to push the button through. Once I've got one button, I just repeat that same motion with each subsequent button, again, all the way up until I get to the top button. So that's how I button my shirt using my ability hand.